Hello everybody. I wanted to quickly show you how you can directly use CMake projects now in Visual Studio. So we're going to start in Linux, which I'm also using another new feature in Windows, which is RDP support, remote desktop support in Hyper-V VMs to Linux. So we are going to use that. It gives us shared drives and a shared clipboard, so it's kind of nice. So I'm just setting up my shared drive here anyway. All right, so this is a Ubuntu VM. We are going to start the world's simplest CMake project. And we're going to use Visual Studio Code to make this super simple CMake project. All right, so I am not a CMake expert. I don't claim to be. I'm learning it myself. So we make our CMake file. We make a project. I do have some Visual Studio extensions installed for CMake. So you'll see there's some syntax highlighting and so on and so forth. And executable. Again, this is the hello world of CMake. And we're going to point it to a C++ file we haven't made yet. Okay, save that. Now, I've learned that CMake likes it if you keep your source and your binaries separate, so we're going to do that. Make a source folder. Okay. Again, I'm not making anything too interesting here. Okay, so we've got our hello world. I'm going to go back to the command line here and let's just test it out in Linux. So we're going to make a release folder for Linux. And we are going to run CMake on that root folder to get a make file. And once we have that, we can do make. And now we have hello CMake. Woohoo! Okay, so we are going to just copy this whole thing to that shared drive I talked about earlier. So shared drives, C, I'm going to put it in my Scratch folder. There we go. Okay, so we copied it over to our Windows folders. So I'm going to minimize my Linux VM, and I'm going to go to VS2017, and I'm going to just open CMake. and I'm in my Scratch, hello CMake, and just double click the CMake list file. Give it a second here, and you'll see some similar output here that we had in Linux. And we can now look at the source, set a breakpoint, debug. There we go. I think that's pretty cool. Anyway, I just wanted that to be quick to show you how that works. And if you have any questions, just send me a message.